So it's a bit awkward for me to say that I am a front end developer or I am a back end developer. I've never really wanted to cut myself off from being classed as a particular developer. I've never wanted to just say, you know what, this is not my bag, this isn't my cup of tea, and I'm not going to be worrying too much about this particular programming, web development discipline or language or framework or style of doing things because this isn't my remit. I try and discover as much stuff as I possibly can do in the web in general, whether that's being on the mobile phone or whether that's being on the back end or whether that's being on the front end. Now, of course, the challenge there is that you become not a master of one single discipline. You become a jack of all trades, and so you can never say that you've got full focus on a single thing, which is the problem with full stack developers, because they know they have an appreciation for the full stack, but they don't necessarily have the raw focus, the dialed in, nailed down focus on a particular language. And often a full stack developer would lean to one side. So they would lean heavily towards the back end or lean heavily towards the front end. It's very rare that you'll see a full stack developer that runs the line very well. And it's tricky because you work towards your skills, and you end up working to those skills, as in those skills that you find more comfortable with, you will tend to be working with them more often. And as a freelancer, this is often the case. So often I will be picking up work that I know that I can do, right? You wouldn't want to pick up work that you know that you couldn't do, because it would be, you would have to factor in a lot of free time to actually learn the stuff that you're dealing with. It's very different from when you're a full-time developer working for a single company